In this video, we're going to be looking at how we could apply a background color or background image. So we'll be trying this out on a section. Now what I'm going to do first is select the section as a whole. You'd know that you have done this right when a bounding box appears around the elements and a plus icon appears at the bottom of the section. Once you have done that, go over to the Content tab located at the right side of the screen. Click on Section and just choose a background color, which is currently set to transparent or nil. So I'm just going to choose yellow here and I'll set a background color to my section. Now if in case you wish to apply a background image instead, all you need to do is click on the section as a whole, change the background color back to transparent, click on Choose File, and use the image that you wish to upload. Click on Open, and for now I'm just going to click on Use Original. So once your image is done uploading, you could also alter the way that it appears. So for example, under the size, I could choose from default, contain, cover, or 100%. So for example, if I click on contain and choose the repeat to repeat along the x-axis, it's simply going to repeat the background image along the x-axis. The same goes for along the y-axis or no repetition at all. So for now, I'm just going to click on default and the size to cover. You could also change the alignment of the background image along the y-axis to either default, center, top, or bottom. I'm just going to click on center here. And once you're done and are happy with the way that the background image appears, you could also change the color of the text to make it appear more legible. And that's it on how to change the background color